The Page Cafe, finest business and study lounge. Opened last 27th of July 2020. They offer cozy experience for study and business transactions. They have areas for solo study and group study. They also have rooms for business meetings and conferences located on their second floor. Each table has its own outlets to charge your mobile devices, and a television for video presentation. They offer unique dining experience with a variety of pastries, pastas, and coffees. We're here now at the Page Cafe here at exit 6. BAKR Road. I just put a link on the description below. Magaganda siya, girl! It's a business and study lounge. Ganda ng place. We ordered yung kakaibigan sa place natin, which is the sparkling coffee.
The sparkling peach.
Yeah, so we both ordered sa kanang flavor peach, sparkling coffee, and sa akin strawberry. So hindi lang siya sparkling, kundi tropical flavored coffee. And also this roasted croissant sandwich.
Try it out.
Let's try it. Let's try it, pero bawas ko. Actually masarap siya. Yung una, iwalay pa yung coffee saka yung sparkling flavored water. So medyo may pagka-soft yung taste siya, and then with the kick yung coffee. So masarap siya. Medyo intriguing, that's why in-order namin siya. Galing ng concept ito.
Ito naman, nirecommend ni Marlon, manager nila dito. Marlon is our friend din. And we invited ourselves.
Yes,
Sasabihin ko sana, we invited us. Masarap yung, hindi ko alam kung paano mag-review. Sparkling, the name itself, sparkling is peach pala.
Peach.
Speechless ako sa sparkling peach. Masarap siya. You have to try this.
Hindi pa rin yung coffee taste, pero hindi na ganun katama.
Para siyang may lasang alak. Although hindi ako umiinom, parang tingin ko alak siya.
Talaga.
Ganun siya ka... Ano masarap?
Intriguing.
Masarap siya.
Intriguing, maka-order na kayo.
Alright. We will try now the beef ba?
Beef.
Roast beef sandwich nila. Ayan, medyo... There's cheese, smoked beef, tomato, lettuce, and some mayo. And meron siya siyang kasamang chips. Chips over there. Chips. Yeah, parang lace. So let's try it out. Try the sandwich. Oh, wow. Nagaya ko sa Marcos. We have blue sky, ice latte, and
This one is the highly recommended peach ice latte.
so let's try it out. So yung nasa bottom part niya, sweet siya. Sweet. Yung sa middle ay coffee. I don't know kung nakikita niyo yung difference ng color. Pero yung in the middle, parang milk siya. And doon sa ibabaw ay coffee.
At least pa kami sa pangis. So, wala na ipakapag-show. May kalasa siya. Para siyang Thai milk tea.
Ayun.
Para siyang Thai milk tea sa para siyang kape kanina. Kasi
Hindi ko may ilalim.
tamis yung labi. Sarap. Kanina kami talaga, yung pagkatapos na kape niya, ay nasa siya milk tea.
Milk tea na nga yung labas.
Thai milk tea siya.
But and matcha. Matcha yung dati.
Kasi blue kanina eh. Nahaluan ng white and brown. Science!
Kung walang knowledge, walang power.
Sa akin kanina, brown, white, and pink. Brown. Tama kaya eh. Ang masarap at chuko. Katatapos lang namin dun sa Page Cafe. And to give a rating dun sa place, for me, 5 out of 5. Ito ng concept niya. Study and business lounge for young professionals. Ang ganda ng place.
The place, for me, ano din, malaking bagay yung cozy siya, malinis. At sa bagay, bago pa kasi siya. 1 week pa lang sila
Oh, 1
nag-operate.
week lang.
So, ang ganda. Mapipil mo na komportable ka kaagad. Magandang lugar siya to meet, mag-fellowship. 5 out of 5 din.
Sa coffee, amazing lang yung yung sparkling coffee. So, sila lang yung merong sparkling coffee dito sa Saudi. First ever sparkling coffee in Saudi Arabia. Sparkling nga siya and fruity with a kick of coffee. Sarap, kakaibang experience. And also yung isang coffee nila na in-order ko for me is the Page Cafe Latte. Sarap din. From coffee turns to Thai iced tea.
Yung blue sky, amazing kasi first layer ay coffee, yung second ay milk, and then yung sa baba, yung medyo sweet siya na liquid. Tapos pag pinagmix mo na siya, mag-iiba yung lasa, maski yung kulay.
Oh.
Kaya parang magic.
Magic. Yeah, magical. Oh, magical ang experience ng coffee.
Yung staff, very accommodating, welcoming.
Yes.
Especially Marlon, ganun din yung boss nila kasi nangamusta. I like
Hands-on
hands-on
yung boss. That's our review for this place, the Page Cafe. I'll see you again in our next review. Thank you for watching. Hope you visit this place. Thank you. Achuk!
10 out of 10.
Hi, so to wrap up, don't forget to hit like and subscribe on this channel. Support this channel for us to give you more content.
Shout out nga pala yung mga Ilocano dyan. Di taga Baguio. Kumusta? Mga grupo natin dyan.
Yung bagnal daw yamin na po. Ang labas na.
Daw yun dito Pilipinas.